That's okay. You got it. It's hard for me to see it. Thank you.
It's about the
Can't be
right.
if I wanted
It's
to.
about the right
In
size.
Kung Fu Panda, that's what Master's brain is.
Oh, nice.
He has ditched his Kung Fu ways and for love.
Sounds like he's in it.
What? I think I just didn't win.
Battery likes it because you just called him Master Crane.
Kiss and me.